I'm Dr. Saurabh Nanda, a consultant neurologist from Kolkata. So I'm going to share with you few informations regarding epilepsy. Many a times we face these questions from our women patients suffering from epilepsy. So, doctor, can I plan for marriage? Doctor, can I have a healthy baby while anti-epileptic medications? So the answer is yes, absolutely. You can plan for marriage or can have a healthy baby while you are on the treatment for epilepsy. So in this group, women in the childbearing age group suffering from epilepsy, we have certain preferences of anti-epileptic medications. So we choose according to that fits you. So you can continue with the medications and can really plan for a healthy baby. But before that, don't stop your medications and talk to your neurologist before planning pregnancy and marriage. Stay happy and healthy. Thank you so much.